Okay, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2, and your topic is describe a time when you had a problem with using a computer. Yes.
Computer is very important technology of this era. Last Sunday, it was happened that my teacher gave me an assignment about environment. When I came home, then I started to my computer, but computer could not start, had not started. Then I called my brother to asked him about this problem. Then he took him to the maintenance shop, repairing shop. The technician opened the computer. Then he saw there is great dust. Great dust. He and also the power supply of CPU had short circuited. Then he replaced it, and also cleaned the other parts of my computer. The total repairing of my computer was at 10,000. In this way, I learned that I always clean my computer.
Yeah, I should always clean my computer. That's good. 1 minute, 17 seconds. Overall, it's fine. Keep it up. Now, we have speaking part 3. What do people use computer for?
Computer use many people use computer for different purposes. Student uses computer for their assignments for different topics. And it is also used in a railway station for tickets, in factories for management, and in others.
Okay. Should students be allowed to use computers at school? Should students be allowed to use computers at school?
Yes. Yes, it is very important for the nowadays. It is very important technology nowadays because in this way I could save our all the documents and all our topics in it.
Okay, this better pay more attention to part 3 and try to use a variety of words in your answer. But overall, it's good. So the way you have spoken, at present, I'll give you 5.5. But with a little improvement in part 3, you can achieve better Ben score, right? Thank you.